Alright, once again, that's about the fourth. Actually, no, there's another one. There's five. That makes five helicopters. Five helicopters right there. As you can see, that flashing light on that side. So he's flying. He knows I'm recording him. And there's another one on the other side. So I think there's about like 5 or 6. Nope, there's another one. I count at least about 7 helicopters. Yeah, we're over here in Charlotte. I just left the store. 7 helicopters, you know. So it's Iceman taking care of business, and obviously, you know, I'm not doing nothing. I don't have no drugs or anything, so we got a little issue. We got a train issue over here near in Charlotte. Iceman signing out. Bye. Oh, I'm about to watch some NXT. NXT, that's excellent wrestling program on the WWE app. I'm about to watch it. Hopefully they're not involved in anything. But yeah, NXT. Again, it's Iceman showing you everything that's happening. Social media, that's where it's at. Signing off. All right, bye.